Good morning. It's Friday. It's been a short week, trading week wise. We were closed on Monday for the MLK holiday. Tuesday was the inauguration. I've been saying all week in our trading room that this week sure has felt like a crash week, and we keep holding this 800 level, and we're again here pre-market on the GE earnings down 70%. Bad news continues to fly, pushing 800 again. We're at 803 as we speak. The pivot is 821. Yesterday in the afternoon, after we traded down to 807, they had again another fake rally. It seems to hold right there around midday, right at noon. The buying comes in. I mean, it's almost plunge protection team like. We rally up to 835, get a little bullish, and then they sell off again, and then they rally right back to the pivot. So yesterday we closed down slightly, 7-8 points, but we had some short side bent in the morning, then we got long in the afternoon, then we got short again, and that's where we are. So again, you want to be on the short side. There's no reason to hold stocks overnight right now. The market is not telling you to buy stocks at this juncture. So don't rush in. Don't try to catch these knives. They're going to continue to be bad news over the next few weeks. We do have the month end next week, so who knows? They could paint the tape again next week, and you got to be wary of that. The 30th is next Friday, so T+3 gets you to basically next Tuesday and Wednesday for a little rally. However, today it's looking really ugly again. I would not be surprised to see a real hard breakdown if we finally get under 795-ish. Probably expect another 20 points from there down to 775 at least. So we are, again, from the close, we're down about 25 points right now, and that usually mirrors at some point during the day. So another 25 points from 803, again, gets you to about 775. So look for that number today. That's my projection. Again, unless you have a plunge protection team blatant open move that they dump on the press here on a Friday, which you do have to be wary of and be careful with your shorts here. Don't go crazy. But I do believe, again, yesterday that support line was right around 816, 817 late in the day. The Fed came back in again. You can see there was a buyer right there at 816. There was no technical level there. There was just buyers in the pit. And once that level broke last night, 817, we're down another 17 points. So sitting at 800. Let's see where they take them today. Let's see if they can wash them out. We have not had a washout day. Again, I know people talk about this, and they haven't been talking about it lately, but I think the mindset is we can't have another washout day. Well, the news is so bad, I think, and it's only getting worse, and the market hasn't had a chance to truly reflect that. So maybe you get a washout day, and maybe you test that bottom, maybe you hit a new low here, maybe down to the 600 level before we get some type of bounce. So January is not looking pretty. We're down about 10%. I think we opened the month around 905, so we're trading right at 800. So we're down about, let's call it 12, 13% at this point. So it's ugly out there. Buy and hold is not working. Trading is the only way to be in this market. Be, again, opportunistic. You don't want to be buying and holding in this market. You're not going to miss a 50% move overnight. It's just not going to happen. So if you want to have a small piece, buy and hold, you better start nibbling, and you better be willing to hold it for a long time, because this market's going to be in a trader's range for a long time. And there's really, yes, the fundamentals are bad, but the fundamentals of the economy are bad, and will continue to put pressure on earnings over the next few years. I don't see that changing. So keep that in mind. Yes, the fundamentals may look good based on last year's projections, but moving forward with tough times ahead in the economy, it's going to be tough for these companies to hit these projections. So the earnings are going to continue to be pressured, and maybe PEs aren't that expensive. All right, think about that, and trade them well today. Peace.